You look so handsome. You know what? He was an dumbass. Oh my god, guys, that video was so amazing. I think I'm gonna get that guy to delete it and put me in it. Whew. That was such a good episode of random stuff. I don't know what this was, but it was funny. Oh man, I think I'm gonna laugh for days. Whew. Yeah, I'm gonna upload this. I'm definitely gonna upload this on my channel, Julian Hust. Oh wait, is this on my channel or the owner, which is Julian Hust? But who cares? I'm gonna make another video with this and then put my reaction, and that's gonna be amazing. So yeah, see you guys then. Bye. And oh, there's this now. Well, I guess if I touch it.